What is going down? I'm Sammy Goldberg. Welcome to Respect the Chain. And right now we're at Bodega in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Now this restaurant has a speakeasy inside of it. There's literally a nightclub hidden, and you've got to find the door to get in. In addition to that, they've got some amazing food. We're going to make the corn on a stick and quesadillas that have short rib and shrimp combined.
Both of these dishes are in our antojito section, which is kind of the shareables off our menu. Antojitos.
What does that mean?
Little wants.
Little wants.
Yeah.
These are the little wants. Okay, yeah. I like that.
So these are things that it's great to get a couple of them, share them, you know, in a table with friends or family.
I want a little bit of this. I want a little bit of that. Let me try that. Let me try this. Right? That's the idea.
That's right. That's the idea. Yeah.
Just take what you want. Little bit.
Yeah.
Little piece.
The first one is the elote. Elote is corn. We'll throw this into the water.
It's like popsicles.
There you go.
Corn popsicles. So by doing this, the ingredients will stick to the corn.
Exactly.
It sticks right to it.
So you have cotija cheese and chili crema. It's kind of a mixture of chipotle and adobo, mayo, a little bit of sour cream, and this is what's going to allow us to get that cheese to stick on. And we don't want to murder the corn with this sauce, lightly coat it. So we have a mixture of a chipotle and tajin, some sweet, peppery notes in there as well.
That really gives it all the spice. It gives it all the flavor.
There you go.
That's a beautiful dish. You got a quesadilla that has beef and shrimp in the quesadilla.
That's right.
So you got a surf and turf quesadilla?
Mar y tierra. That's right.
Marietta.
Mar y tierra.
Mar y tierra. And what does that mean?
Land and sea.
Land and sea. I like that. So this is the land and sea quesadilla right over here.
I start off by grilling the tortillas.
Okay.
So we got a hot grill over here.
Yeah.
Cheese on the bottom. Cheese, and cheese. Then we got rajas. The beef will go on this bottom one.
Wow.
And then on this one, we'll put the shrimp.
So you know this is good. You got something for the meat eaters, something for the fish eaters, and it's beautiful.
Basically.
It's perfect.
So you put that on top of the meat. And then this one, you put on top.
Look at all those layers over here. There's 3 layers to this quesadilla. I love this. So a lot of people don't know this, but they actually have a speakeasy in this restaurant. I mean, take a look right here. Here's the door. It looks like any ordinary porta-potty door. Then you go right here, you open this door, and right now, you're in this room. Take a look over here. You got urinals. You got graffiti. I mean, look at this urinal. What kind of person could actually use this urinal? You have to be like 10 feet tall to be able to use this urinal. There should be a telltale sign that there's something going on here. There's something funky going on. This can't be a porta potty. This can't be real. Then you look right here, and then poof, take a look. This is unbelievable. This is literally in the back of the taco cart in the lobby. Look at this beautiful sign. Who wouldn't want to drink under this? This is why people go out to the club. This is what it's all about right here. It's about loving. Love, love, love. Take a look at this. We got the corn on a stick right here. This looks amazing. Look how cheesy that is. You got all that cheese on the corn. Let's take a bite out of this. As soon as you taste into that, you get that acidic flavor, you get that sweetness from the corn, and you get that cheesiness, that wonderful cheesy taste. And then you can actually taste a hint of that spiciness from the tahini. It's quite the taste bud experience over here. We've got the fanciest quesadillas I've ever seen in my life. You get surf and turf in a quesadilla. This is a triple-decker quesadilla. Each layer has a different flavor. It is strictly layered. We got shrimp right here. We got beef. We got cheese. That steak is shaved thin, and it's super juicy. It's super tender. And then you get that shrimp, and it gives you that amazing ocean vibe. It's like putting them together is the perfect combination. This is surf and turf in a quesadilla.
This is Chef George over at Bodega Taqueria and Tequila, and you're watching Respect the Chain.